Good morning, children. So, in this module, we are going to do replies. We have already done invitation, and we know very well that invitations are of two types, formal and informal. Formal is a printed cards, informal is in the form of letter. In the same way, we have replies here also. Replying to an invitation is an essential courtesy for two reasons. Okay, you might be thinking that who replies? We never reply when we get the invitation that whether we are going to come or not. But it's a courtesy, we must reply for two reasons. Okay, the first is to appreciate the host's kindness in inviting us to the occasion, and second one, to let the host know whether we will be attending the function or not in order to enable him or her to make arrangements accordingly. So it's courtesy that we must reply that whether we are attending or not. Fine. So here replies is of again two types, acceptance and refusal. If you are going, then you are accepting the invitation, and if you are not going, it's a refusal. Again, this can be divided into two, formal and informal. The main characteristics of formal replies. Number first is acknowledge the invitation. You must acknowledge the invitation. Mention acceptance or regret. If you are going, if you are accepting, you must mention in the reply. And if you're not, if you're declining, then you should feel regret. Be brief and specific. Express thanks. Specify the reason for refusal. Be formal in tone. And if you're refusing, then you must give the reason for your refusal, and the tone should be very much formal. See, the layout of a reply to a formal invitation is much the same as the invitation itself. The lines may be written in ordinary prose, but the language used is formal. Fine. So I will just share a example with you here. This is the slide of formal invitation. First one is accepting. Fine. So here you are going to use the third person only, that Mrs. Priyanka Venkatesh thanks Mr. and Mrs. R. Okay, Vedinathan for their kind invitation, which she is delighted to accept. So, in spite of writing I am accepting like this, you first of all you will just show your gratitude, your thanks. So, you are going to write Miss Priyanka, the one who is accepting the invitation. See, the given here sender of reply name will come here, the one who is just sending the reply. Okay, and the host name will be also there, and then you're going to mention you're expressing gratitude, and then you're going to mention your thanks. So it should be in third person. You're not going to write that I am very glad to and I am very much thankful. No, you will write your name or the name of the sender, the one who is accepting the invitation, that so and so is very much thankful to the host. The name of the host will come for their kind invitation, which he or she is delighted to accept. That means you are accepting the invitation. In the same way, we have the decline also, it's a refusal. The difference is that here you are going to show the regret, or you are just giving the reason for not attending. Fine. Miss Priyanka Venkatesh thanks Mr. and Mrs. R. Vedinathan for their kind invitation. So these 2-3 lines are same. You're just showing your gratitude, your thanks, but regrets her inability to accept the same due to a prior engagement. Or you may write that due to some unavoidable circumstances you are not able to you will not able to attend the function or occasion. So here, or you may write the same line here, but regrets her or his inability to accept the same due to a prior engagement. So this is your formal reply. So this is the formal reply accepting and decline. Fine. So let's move to informal replies. So here also you are going to acknowledge the invitation in first person. It's informal, so the word itself shows informally formal. You're not going to do formal, and we know very well that informal normally is amongst your relatives and friends. So here also you're going to mention the acceptance or regret. Specify the reason in case of refusal, and obviously the same way we are going to specify the reason also for the decline, for the refusal. And use warm and simple language. The language should be also very simple. Fine. And it is written in the first person, I or we, and we are going to follow the same format. The sender's address will come, then date, then salutation, and then your content. So the sender's address is written as usual, but the receiver's address is not written. So sender's address will come, date will come, and then salutation, dear so and so, and the complimentary close is yours sincerely. Fine. So it's the same way as we have written the invitation. The format is same. So here we have one example. Dr. Sanjay Gupta was invited to preside over the inter-school declamation competition to be held on October 5th, 2005 at 10 a.m. by Neha Bajaj, the president of English Literary and Debating Society of Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 19, Chandigarh. On behalf of Dr. Sanjay Gupta, write a letter to Neha Bajaj accepting the invitation. Write a letter means it's informal. Fine. So, who is sending the reply? Dr. Sanjay. So, his address will come here. Date, to whom he is writing, to dear Miss Bajaj. So, it is very informal. Many thanks for inviting me to preside over the inter-school declamation competition to be held on October 5th, 2005 at 10 a.m. See, all the details are mentioned here. I shall be delighted to attend the function and spend time listening to the views of children such as yourself. It will be kind if I provided transport for the occasion. So here it's a accepting, okay. But if it is refusal, you may just write the same thing, that thank you for for a kind invitation. I'm sorry that I shall not be able to come, or I shall not able to attend the function because of some prior engagement due to some unavoidable circumstances. Okay, like this you may write it down, and yours truly or faithful, or not faithfully, sincerely. So I think it's very much clear to you that how to write. In the next class, I'll just give you a few questions on replies. Okay children, thank you.